know, if anything, you get a story out of this.
Hey, welcome to Wild Bill's Garage. I'm thinking this is barely worth a video. But I'm kind of waiting right now for the big rides up the Candle and everything for my wife to get home. Might have to buy some new tanks for the CRF and the DR because I know I said I wasn't going to buy a tank, but god dang it. 200 kilometers to the tank. In the Yukon, everything is so far away. This is a Acerbis Skid Plate, and I'm telling you right now, it's very nicely packaged. Got to do some research on the tanks because I'm just seeing lots of, there's issues with every. See, this isn't even worth a. Oh, that's nice. Wow, that's heavy duty. Holy shit. Okay, because look, it's got 2 clamps and 2 bolts that bolt naturally into the bottom of the bike. So it's whatever. Put the 2 bolts on, put the 2 clamps on, you got a skid plate. That's going to take like 20 minutes. Okay, there's the install. I'll show you when it's done. That was hard, huh? Okay, the instructions, like just put those 2 brackets on the frame. On the Loctite things. That's it. 2, 2, and then go riding. Be nice when we get this floor poured. So those 2 go on the stock bolts. There's the oil pan drain there. Put on those right there. Let me get the Loctite. So you just need a 5mm Allen. I've actually had to look at the instructions. A are the longer ones. They go in the front. B are the shorter ones. They go in the back. Just go right in here. And you want to put the short ones in there. And these just go inside of here. Welcome back! I didn't put these washers on. Those. Because they don't fit in these holes, recessed holes. And the bolts are plenty the right length, but they don't thread too good. Jesus. But maybe that's Suzuki pattern. So everything's Loctited. Everything's on. Lots of room. Oh, perfect fit. Perfect. These are on tight too. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, there you can see the clamp with the little bolt in the back. That's the longer one. So all you have to do is, my wife noticed I hadn't really showed, even though an 8-year-old can do this, I guess I should show you this. That little clamp goes on there, one on each side, just a little half clamp onto those bolts right there. What I did was just put the back ones on loose, and this kind of flops a little bit. And you can get in there with a, I got in there with my fingers. Wasn't even that hard. And just held that, and once the bolt started, it just cinches right up. I know it doesn't look like much, but I've already been out riding and everything, and it's good. There you go, honey. Now everybody will know how to put those bolts on. And thank you. Good point. I didn't exactly show that. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Wasn't that an amazing how-to? It was actually not the easiest, but certainly not the hardest. Just make sure these bolts are lined up so they're not going to strip. Because one thing about the DRs, CRFs, all these smaller, cheaper bikes, even the DLs I've noticed, maybe all motorcycles nowadays are like that. The metals are so soft, shit just strips. So there it is. All my cameras are dying. Just updated my prism. So it's a very Here's the new setup I've made for the fuel setup, which those bolt right on. I'm going to put one on each side. I can very easily carry a gallon and a half on each side, but I might be going for the Clark or the, I don't know, everything I read on the forums, people love their tanks, but they always say, but the plumbing wasn't correct or this wasn't correct, so I don't know about the plastic tank. God damn it. But 230K, 250K max on that tank, and it's bone dry. And to go to the North Canal, you need 500 kilometers return. There's no fuel for 500 kilometers. Food for thought, people. But, okay, I like the skid plate. It's what I wanted. Nice and light, nothing out of the ordinary. Now I got tomorrow, the next day, my center stand comes. Kind of an old man baby thing, but I like it that way. Okay, that's it. Acerbis Skid Plate. Let's go ride.